Surah Takathur, full translation from here.
In the name of Allah, most kind, most merciful. Competing with each other in, inwardly increase diverts you until you reach the graves. No, but you will soon come to know. Again, no, surely you will come to know. No, if you only knew now with sure knowledge, you will surely see the hellfire. Then you will surely see it with the eye of certainty. Then you will surely be asked that day about life's pleasures.
Okay. In first introduction of the Surah Takathur, I had told you that it is Makki Surah, 8 verses, and striving greedily for the worldly things is the topic of the Surah. Now we will see in the next paragraph, it is written that Allah the Almighty urges mankind to abandon the worship of this world. Okay, the man is created for the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what men start to do? Worship of this world. The worship of the worldly things blinds man to the realities of this life and life to come. Such people are not prepared to stop and think about moral values taught by the Quran. We don't, as you know, many people even don't know how to read Quran. What are the meanings of the Quran? What is the translation of Quran? What is the deep understanding of the Quran? So, if we don't know the meanings of the Quran, how we would come to know what is the value taught by the Quran? The greed for more and more wealth makes people forget the real purpose of their lives, the real purpose of the life. This surah is a warning to such people who don't know what is the real purpose of the life. This surah is a warning to such people. On the last day, Allah will ask us about gratefulness to Him for the favors He has blessed us with. Okay, gratefulness, first thing. Second, we have to think about the favors He blessed us, such as our health, safety, food, drink, sleep. He will ask us if we returned His favors by worshipping Him alone and being thankful to Him for His favors, or we think that everything, whatever we have, is our right. We are self sufficient. We can manage our health, we can manage our safety, we can get our food, we can earn money for food, we can drink ourselves, we can sleep whenever we want. No one is here who can stop us from sleeping in day and awakening in night. No, this is not a good behavior. We should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us night to sleep, who provided us water, juices, milk, and many other liquids to drink. Those who are engrossed in the things of this world do not get time to prepare themselves for the life after death. Why? Because they are not thankful. They don't think that here is a superpower who can snatch everything from us, who will question us from where you got everything and from where you are bringing all of your accessories and how you are using them. This life is very short, very short. Do you know in which surah we had learned that life is very short? It is like ice block which is melting. Do you remember in which surah you had learned that life is like an ice block which is melting very fastly? Anyone? Do you know
No,
why?
bad.
Hmm?
In Surah Asr,
In Surah Al Asr, we had learned that time is passing very fastly. Our life is very short. It is like an ice block which is melting very quickly. Jana, do you remember this?
Yes.
Which activity we did in Surah Al Asr?
The hourglass.
The hourglass activity, sand glass activity, from where we had learned that if our one glass of life is filling up, the other part of the glass is getting empty. Their passion for the things of this world and being from more and more worldly possession diverts their attention from a matter even more important. Just suppose you in this activity you can see that we have house, a good one, and the purpose of house is just to live for safety, for our privacy, for our shelter. But yes, we can decorate it a bit, we can keep it clean, we can make it very comfortable. But what people start to do, they start to make big castles, and for that they need more and more money, they need servants, helpers, they need more rooms, they will spend more electricity, they will bring more furniture and other things in their house, which would be very costly. And to bring all the accessories in their big house or castle, they would earn more, and to earn more they would get greedy, they would leave to have some rest, they would leave to have some time for worshipping, they would damage their health, they would not sleep for hours to earn more and more. And in this greed, even sometimes they would forget their relations, their purpose of life and everything, which is not a good habit. That's why Allah says that don't think that you are living in this word and in this house forever. You will be here for a very short time. And always I tell you that our life might be only for only 70 or 80 or 90 years old. And after that, we have to go from this world, and that life in which we will go after hereafter, that would be eternal, it will never end. So we should earn for our life hereafter. Okay, understood?